Smith Douglas Homes is rolling out a new floor plan, and today we are here to check it out. I am with Stacy, and we're here to see the James model. So what can you tell us?
Yeah, so the James is one of our largest floor plans. It's just over 3,000 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath at its standard, but you do have the option to add a 4th bedroom and even a 5th bedroom to this floor plan.
Now, I know that this floor plan is offered for communities all around the metro Atlanta area, so it's not just here. So can we go inside and check it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay.
Yeah, so right when you walk in, you have the dining room in this floor plan with all that square footage. You don't have to sacrifice the space of a formal dining room.
Yeah, it's such a large dining room. I love all of the light, the windows. It is fantastic. And I also noticed how large the foyer is when you walk in. It really is so spacious.
Yeah.
And I can see the kitchen, and I'm dying to get a better look.
Yeah, let's go take a look. So you have a beautiful center island with countertop dining, a breakfast nook, and then all of this overlooks your beautiful family room.
Yeah, there's so many places to eat, and it looks like there's some entertaining space too.
Yeah, there really is. There's a pass-through from the dining room over here that offers a walk-in pantry as well as a kind of overflow section for a beverage bar or for entertaining. The James plan features a study with half bath, but in this model, and depending on your needs, we show this with an additional bedroom option that adds a closet and a full bath accessible as an en-suite or for use as guests downstairs near the mudroom area.
Well, I love the downstairs, so I'm looking forward to seeing what the upstairs has to offer.
Wanna go? Take a look.
Okay. Okay, I love this loft area. What a great use of space up here. So does this loft come standard?
It does. So this is another place where the square footage in this floor plan really shines. You can use this as a loft entertainment area, or this is where you can turn it into that 5th bedroom that I mentioned earlier. The owner's suite features a well-appointed en-suite bathroom, double-sided walk-in closet located directly off the bath. And notice the 9-foot ceiling height, a standard in our Smith Douglas 2-story homes.
Well, Stacy, thanks so much for being here with me today. I loved learning about the James plan. And with Smith Douglas Homes, you can learn more about their communities and their floor plans at their website, smithdouglas.com, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.